Ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract success, wealth, health, and fulfilling relationships into their lives? Could it be more than just luck or hard work? Well, there's a powerful principle at play here, often referred to as the law of attraction. It's a universal law that operates on the belief that like attracts like. In other words, the energy you put out into the universe is the energy you attract back into your life. If you're brimming with positivity, you're likely to attract positive experiences. The same goes for negative energy. The law of attraction isn't a magic trick, but rather a shift in mindset and behavior, a way of aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires. And it's something everyone can learn and apply. Today, we're going to delve into the step-by-step process of harnessing the law of attraction to manifest your desires. To kick off this transformative journey, it's crucial to set clear intentions. Think about it this way. If you were to set out on a voyage, you wouldn't just float aimlessly in the ocean, would you? You'd have a destination, a point on the map you're striving to reach. The same applies to the law of attraction. It starts with defining what you want to attract into your life with precision and specificity. Picture your desires in vivid detail, from the grandest goals to the tiniest nuances. Write them down, for the act of writing not only solidifies your intentions, but also sends a clear, unambiguous order to the universe. It's like placing a precise order at a restaurant instead of saying, "Bring me something good." The clearer your intentions, the more likely you are to receive what you truly desire. Remember, clarity is power. The universe responds to specific orders. Now that you've set your intentions, it's time to believe and visualize. Imagine yourself on a journey. You've plotted the course, you know where you're headed, but you can't quite see the destination just yet. That's where belief comes in. It's the faith that even when you can't see the outcome, you trust that it's out there, waiting for you. Believing in your desires is like fueling your vehicle for the journey. It empowers you, drives you forward, and keeps you going even when the road gets tough. Belief is not just about thinking positively, it's about trusting in your worthiness to receive what you desire. It's the confidence in your ability to manifest your dreams. It's about knowing that the universe is conspiring in your favor, that what you seek is also seeking you. Belief is the spark that ignites the law of attraction. It's the catalyst that sets everything in motion. Now let's talk about visualization. Visualization is like a roadmap to your desires. It's about painting a vivid picture in your mind of what you want, down to the smallest details. Imagine the emotions, the sensations, the experiences associated with your desires as if they are happening right now. Visualizing your desires helps to align your energy and focus with what you want to attract. It's like tuning your radio to the right frequency to catch your favorite station. When you visualize, you're aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the frequency of your desires. And remember, visualization is not just about seeing, it's about feeling. Feel the joy, the excitement, the satisfaction of achieving your desires. Feel it in your bones, in your heart, in every fiber of your being. Let this feeling permeate your entire being. Let it become your reality. Your mind is a powerful tool, capable of turning your thoughts into reality. By believing in your desires and visualizing them, you're harnessing the power of your mind to create your own reality. Your mind is a powerful tool. Use it to align your energy and focus with your desires. Manifestation isn't just about thinking, it's about doing. A crucial part of the law of attraction is taking inspired action. This means following your intuition and making moves that align with your desires. It's not about rushing headlong into things without thought or simply waiting around for something to happen. Inspired action is about finding a balance, taking thoughtful, purposeful steps towards your goals while maintaining a sense of flow and ease. Consider this. If you want to manifest a new job, you can't just visualize it and then sit back, expecting it to land in your lap. You need to polish your resume, apply for positions, perhaps even acquire new skills. These actions show the universe you're serious about your intentions. But remember, it's not just about doing anything and everything. Inspired action is purposeful and resonates with your desires. It feels right. It's not forced or filled with dread. It's an action that when you think about it, you feel a sense of excitement, a flutter in your heart. It's an action that feels like the next logical step towards your dreams. But there's another crucial element here. Gratitude. Gratitude is the magic ingredient that turbocharges the law of attraction. It's about acknowledging and appreciating what you already have while you're on the journey to manifest more. Expressing gratitude elevates your vibration, aligning you more closely with your desires and attracting more of what you want into your life. So don't just rush through your day without a second thought for the good already present in your life. Stop, breathe, look around and truly see. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the love of your family and friends, the simple joy of a good meal. Each day, take a moment to express gratitude for these things, big and small. Gratitude transforms your perspective, shifting your focus from what's lacking in your life to the abundance that's already present. This shift in perspective is powerful. It generates positive energy that attracts more of the same. Action, coupled with gratitude, propels you closer to your desires. So get moving and start appreciating. Your dreams are waiting. Your environment matters. It's time to surround yourself with positivity and let go of resistance. Imagine your life as a garden. To grow beautiful, vibrant flowers, you must provide the right conditions. You give them sunlight, water, and fertile soil. You pull out the weeds that could choke their growth. Similarly, to manifest your desires, you need to create the right environment in your life. This means surrounding yourself with positivity and uplifting experiences. Think of the people, places, and activities that lift your spirits and make you feel good. These are your sunlight, your water, your fertile soil. They raise your vibration and align you with the energy of what you want to attract. On the other hand, negativity is like the weeds in your garden. It can choke your positive energy and block your desires from manifesting. This includes negative self-talk, limiting beliefs, and toxic relationships. Now let's talk about resistance. Resistance is like a dam blocking the flow of a river. It can be anything from doubts and fears to insecurities and past traumas. These create an energetic blockage, preventing your desires from flowing freely into your life. So how do you let go of resistance? The first step is to acknowledge it. Notice when you are feeling resistant and take a moment to explore why. Then practice surrendering. This means trusting that the universe is working in your favor and releasing your need to control the outcome. When you let go of resistance, you create space for your desires to manifest. You allow the river of abundance to flow freely. You open yourself up to receive all the good that the universe has in store for you. Remember, this is not a one-time process. It's a continual practice of nurturing your garden, pulling out the weeds, and letting the river flow. Manifestation is a journey of transformation. Embrace positivity and let go of anything that doesn't serve your highest good. As we approach the final steps, remember that manifestation is a lifestyle, not a one-time event. It's about integrating habits and mindsets that nourish your overall well-being and align you with the energy of your desires. One such habit is practicing self-care. Nurturing your physical, mental, and emotional health plays a crucial role in raising your vibrations and making you a powerful magnet for your desires. So make sure to prioritize activities that make you feel good and rejuvenated. Equally essential is the practice of staying in the present moment. Remember, the law of attraction operates in the now. Dwelling on the past or worrying about the future can disrupt your alignment with your desires. So cultivate mindfulness. Breathe in the present and exhale the past and future. Embrace an abundance mindset. Shift from believing in scarcity to knowing there's an unlimited supply of what you desire. You are deserving of abundance, and this shift in mindset paves the way for attracting it in all areas of your life. Trust the timing. The universe has its own rhythm and wisdom, and it knows the perfect timing for your desires to manifest. Resist the urge to become impatient or try to force things to happen. Patience and trust keep you in a state of flow and alignment. The practice of affirmations can be a game changer too. Positive affirmations help reprogram your subconscious mind, aligning your thoughts with your desires. Repeat affirmations that resonate with you and help you stay focused on your goals. Stay open to possibilities. The universe often works in unexpected ways, bringing opportunities or experiences that you may not have anticipated. So maintain an open heart and mind. Allow the universe to surprise you with its magic. And finally, release attachment. Let go of any rigid expectations about how your desires will manifest. Surrender to the process and trust that the universe will deliver what's best for your highest good. Trust the process. The universe is working in your favor. So there you have it, the step-by-step guide to attracting the law of attraction. We've journeyed through setting clear intentions, visualizing our desires, taking inspired actions, practicing gratitude, embracing positivity, letting go of resistance, and ultimately trusting the process. It's about believing in abundance and staying open to all possibilities. The key is to start. Start today. Embrace these steps and let them guide your path. Remember, the power to manifest your desires lies within you. Start today and watch your life transform.